Hello everyone, welcome to Universe is Unique. In English vocabulary, word of the day is friendship. FRIENDSHIP. फ्रेंडशिप को हिंदी में कहते हैं दोस्ती, मित्रता. अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पीपल हु आर फ्रेंड्स. मित्रता, दोस्ती. फ्रेंडशिप इज द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग फ्रेंड्स विद समवन. Synonyms: companionship, amity, and friendliness. Antonyms: hatred, enmity, and hate. Now, example sentences. First, since their childhood, they had been friends and their friendship blossomed into love. Second, friendship multiplies joys and divides griefs. Third, true friendship is a plant of slow growth. That's all for today's video. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं so please subscribe to my channel Universe is Unique to learn English vocabulary words every day. Thank you so much for watching.